Hello, and welcome to my channel. We're all about wealth or finance management, new business ideas, quick tips to make your life better, or anything that can help you in your daily life. Click the bell button, as we're surely going to change the way you think about daily life or business. In today's video, we're going to talk about the ultimate guide of rich mindset. One of the most powerful tools you can use to improve your financial situation is to have a rich mindset. A rich mindset is one that is full of optimism, hope, and excitement about the future. It's not just about having money, it's about being able to see the value that money can bring. When you have a rich mindset, it's easier for you to dream up ways to make money and then take action on those ideas. You'll be more likely to try new things and less likely to give up when things don't go as planned. A rich mindset is also helpful for managing your finances because it makes it easier for you to see the big picture, to focus on what's important rather than worrying about everything else going wrong at once. If you're looking to get rich, it's not going to happen overnight. You might think that you can just wake up one day and make $1 million. You might think that if you have one of those guru personalities and can always see the silver lining in every situation, you'll be rich by lunchtime. But if you're like most people, that's not what's going to happen. What does happen is this: if you have a healthy mindset and a good financial strategy, then you'll be able to earn more money and get wealthier over time. And what does it mean for your financial strategy? It means having the right tools in place so that you can manage your finances effectively, so they grow over time, while also keeping them flexible enough that they're not too rigid or restrictive when needed, which is obviously important. So how do we accomplish this? It's pretty simple. You have to have a rich mindset. We all want to be rich, but how do you get there? You need to have understanding of things like a rich person. What does that mean? It means you have to think like someone who has money in their pocket and can afford to spend it on whatever they want, whenever they want. As mentioned earlier, it takes more than just having money. It takes also having the right mindset. One that says, I'm going to make the most of my life and use this money wisely. You might think this seems weird or even impossible because you don't have much money yet. It's not. There are many ways for people with little or no wealth to become rich. And the first step is realizing that everyone has things they can do with their time. The trick is finding out what those things are for yourself. The rich and successful are often those who have a mind that is focused and disciplined. Having a rich mindset is a key component of having a successful career, but it's not something you can just get overnight. You need to work on your mindset every day so that it stays strong and healthy. Here are some key foundations of the rich mindset. 1. The rich are driven by their purpose to succeed. They'll not be satisfied with mediocrity, and they will constantly strive for more in their lives. 2. They have goals and dreams, but they don't let them consume them. Instead, they take action to achieve them. 3. They have a strong sense of self-worth, which comes from knowing what they bring to this world, not what they take away from it. 4. They believe in themselves and value their uniqueness. They don't compare themselves with others or feel like they need approval from anyone else. The concept of a wealthy mindset is one that's been gaining traction in recent years. It's a term that's been used to describe the mental state of someone who has a great deal of money, but it can also be used to describe someone who is successful, happy, and healthy. Wealthy mindsets are characterized by being able to think about money as simply another tool in your arsenal, one that you use to enhance your life. You don't let it dictate how you live your life or how much you make. Instead, it just becomes another way for you to get things done. This concept allows you to stop thinking about money as something that you need to have or something that will keep you from doing anything else, but rather as something that helps you get what matters most done without having to worry about finances getting in the way. There are many different benefits that come with having a wealthy mindset. You'll start feeling more confident about yourself financially, because now it's no longer something holding back your dreams. It'll make saving easier since saving doesn't have to be tied up with debt anymore. It'll help improve your relationships with the other people since they can see how happy and successful you are in your life. The main benefits that a wealthy mindset can bring you are: 1. You'll see opportunities where others might not see them. 2. You'll be able to take advantage of those opportunities when they appear, which could mean you'll make more money and have more time for other things in life. 3. You'll be able to focus on your goals and set realistic expectations, which will help keep you motivated when times get tough or you're feeling overwhelmed by all the things that need doing on your business or personal side of life. So how do you create a rich mindset? Well, first off, it starts with knowing your own values and priorities. Consider how much money you need to live comfortably, and how much is okay for you, and then adjust as needed. For example, if you're living in an expensive city and need a car, but don't want to spend too much on gas or insurance over time, or if you're planning on renting instead, then buying something used might be a good idea. Make sure your brain is working properly. If your emotions are getting in the way of your thinking and decision making, there's no point in trying to create a richer mindset. You'll just end up with more stress. So if you feel like your emotions are getting out of control, go take some deep breaths and try to calm down. You see, having a rich mindset means that you have access to more information than other people. It means that you can learn from mistakes in the past and use that knowledge to grow into something better in the future. It means that you can draw on the wisdom of others who have gone before you, so that when you're down, they can help pull you up again. People with a rich mindset are more likely to enjoy what they do and see their work as a means of achieving personal growth and satisfaction. They have the ability to take on new challenges, which helps them grow as individuals. A rich mindset helps you be more present in your life. A rich mindset means being more present in your life. It means seeing the world as it is, not as you want it to be. It means being able to let go of the past and focus on the future, and enjoying every moment along the way. The key to all this is simple. If you're not happy right now, then there's no point in thinking about what could happen or what might happen later on down the road. Instead, focus on how much fun you can have right now. Enjoy the little things that bring you joy. Many people get caught up in the rat race of life and forget to take time to enjoy the little things that bring them joy. This is a shame, because when we take time to enjoy these simple pleasures, it can give us a sense of peace and happiness. Once you know what brings you joy, try to make time for it in your day-to-day life so you can keep yourself grounded and happy. This was our analysis of why 99% of people have poor mindset. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you'll love our other ones too. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our latest content.